Using the alarms menu and mask menu, it is possible to build a mask around a given waveform and using an alarm to stop the acquisition when there is a change in the waveform. So this is very useful for monitoring a signal looking for an intermittent error. So in this example we're going to be using a clock square wave, and then we're going to build a mask and look for this small difference when it occurs on the top of the waveform. So at this point we just stop the acquisition, so I'm going to initially build a mask around the clock signal. So we're going to select mask, add mask and generate a mask. So here again we can set the resolution of the mask in voltage and time, and then generate a mask and apply it. Or if there's already a mask been built, it can be saved as a file. So for example, we could just apply an existing mask and preload it. So having generated the mask, we can run this now. So this is going to be running quite happily. So the alarm we're going to set is to look for this small event when it comes very close to the mask. So we'll just again stop the acquisition. So this is available under the Tools Alarms menu. So here under the Capture, we're going to capture until the mask fails, and then we're going to stop the capture. So again under Stop there is a range of options available. We're going to stop capture. Select OK. So that's the alarm set, and again at this moment it runs quite happily because we're not failing the alarm. So I'm now just going to modify the mask slightly. So I'm going to use mask edit mode, and I want to modify this. So what I'm going to do is just put this very close to the top. So when this random signal hits that mask, we'll get a fail. So we'll just run. And there we just hit a fail now. So we had 46 captures, and then eventually we got one fail condition where it just touched the mask, and then the acquisition stopped.